Hi everyone, it's Brooke with the Natural Lighting Company, Solitude Premier Dealer in Albuquerque, New Mexico. In regards to recent events around coronavirus and COVID-19, we have been receiving calls about our DIY kits. Many of you may be working from home and starting to focus on home improvement projects. We want to support you with that. So today we thought we would show you what comes standard in our do-it-yourself kits. We have two sizes. We have a 10-inch size and a 14-inch size Solitude. Today I'm going to show you what comes just standard in both of those kits that you can buy yourself. We have our installation packet, which will give you some ideas about how to get it installed for you. You've got your warranty instructions. It comes standard with our classic Fusion diffuser, which is a nice white trim ring with an opaque surface in the middle. We also have for you some options to upgrade to different lenses to customize the reveal on your ceiling. But in this box is what comes standard. We have our secondary lens, which helps to trap a layer of heat or cold in between the tube for you. It helps so that you don't get that hot feeling in the summer or a cold feeling going out in the winter time. We do have our screw packet. This has your rooftop screws, your interior screws, the tape that comes for taping all of your kits together, the reflector, and our fuzzy seal. That allows for a slip seal joint for you. We also have the optional solar powered nightlight, integrated solar nightlight model. It's just a solar panel that comes, recharges inside the kit, and then you get a nightlight effect that comes out of it. Included in each of our kits comes with the dome. We're showing you the 160 model series today. It is the 10-inch size tube. Then we have our top and bottom tube that come with it as well. Our top and bottom tube comes standard with 20 inches of tubing, which is our the way that we sell our kits here in Albuquerque. It's going to show you here on the side what it looks like on a flat roof installation. So you've got your dome, you've got your flashing that comes up 6 inches high, and then your top and your bottom tubes connected. This shows you that it comes in both round and square. Don't worry if you have a pitched roof. We do have a pitched roof or a low profile solution for you. Maybe you need a little bit extra tubing than what comes standard with our 20 inches of tubing. We sell them as 24 and 16-inch lengths. And then over here you can also see some customization that you can do with your tubes. We have an electric light add-on if you want to do that. We have our ventilation unit that works in a pitched roof only. And then we've got our dimmer, which also works in a pitched roof. We've got options for changing the color of the light. If you want more of a warm tone, we can do that with our Warm Effects lens. We do have products in stock. If you'd like to come by and pick them up, just give us a call and let us know. We'll be happy to get them for you. We also have sealants in case you need that as well. If you'd like to give me a call, I'll be here to help you. Thank you.